Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the best and worst days to trade Forex. All right. Now, not all trading days behave the same way in the Forex market. Okay, activity levels often change depending on which global financial centers are open and how much economic news is scheduled. All right, so generally, the middle of the trading week tends to show the most activity, right? Um, Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday often experience higher trading volume because both the London and New York sessions are active. Let's just add a trading session indicator to the chart. All right. So during these days, the overlap between the two sessions can produce stronger price movements and clearer trends, right? Mondays can sometimes, start slow. Mondays can actually sometimes start slowly, because the market adjusts after the weekend and traders react to news that may have occurred while markets were closed. Then Fridays can also behave differently. Some traders reduce their positions before the weekend, which can sometimes lead to changing volatility conditions later in the day, right? And then talking about economic data releases also influence market activity, right? They also influence market activity, uh, you know, throughout the week, actually. Major reports such as employment data, inflation updates, or central bank announcements can create stronger market reactions. And because of these variations, many traders study historical patterns and track when their preferred currency pairs tend to move the most. So understanding how market activity changes during the week can help traders choose trading sessions that best match their strategies. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.